What's up everyone, Vitaly here, and in this video I want to share with you some of my updated results as a stage affiliate. And just recently I withdrew nearly $900 in affiliate commissions. It's 6 cents short of that, so we'll just call it 900. And the vast majority of these commissions were generated thanks to the Stay 22 program. They do most of the heavy lifting when it comes to making travel affiliate sales for you. Your job is to have a website that gets a lot of traffic from multiple sources, and they do the heavy lifting by promoting offers that get a lot of sales. So most of the sales that came from here, I'd say about 95%, maybe even more, came from Stay 22 promoting these instead of me having to go out of my way on my website to do it. So in case you're new, Stay 22 is a new growing affiliate network that I think does amazing work overall. What they do is they connect you connect their program with your website. So here is my website over here, and you drive traffic to your website, whether that be from Pinterest, from social media, from Google, whatever the case is. And ideally, if you have a travel website, you want to talk about popular destinations, road trips, and stuff like that. And what Stay 22 does is it provides exit pop-ups for last-minute deals for hotels in those popular destinations. And because they are last minute deals, people are much more likely to buy it. And the numbers that I'm having from Stay 22 really speak for themselves when it comes to that. These are, like I said, 95% plus of all the sales have been generated from this whole exit pop-up thing. So let's say somebody's on my website right here, and one of the pieces of content I have is 10 amazing things to do in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. I get traffic to this page on a daily basis, among other ones on my website. And so when people are browsing, let's say this page right here, you'll notice that there's exit pop-ups that show up. And this also happens on your mobile device as well. So in this case, there's 2 exit pop-ups for Booking.com, which is a major place where people book destinations, and Expedia, another huge name. So that's what Stay 22 is connected with. And so they're providing, let's say Booking.com is providing last minute deals on Fort Lauderdale hotels that you can see over here that people can get. And because they are last minute deals, there's just this idea of, oh, hey, you know, if I'm going to Fort Lauderdale, I want to get the best price. Maybe there's some discounts, last minute deals that I can get, which is why they're more likely to get it here. And the numbers speak for themselves. This is how Stay 22 does so much of the heavy lifting when it comes to helping you generate more affiliate sales without you having to go that extra mile to do it yourself to promote these places. Not to say that you shouldn't, but Stay 22 just gives you that helping hand to make those sales on autopilot. And so your job really is just to drive more traffic to your website to help trigger these exit pop-ups to promote these destinations that you talk about. So if you're a travel affiliate or you're looking to be a travel affiliate, I really highly recommend Stay 22. They're free to sign up with. You can contact their staff. I've actually talked to one of them before. We had a great conversation. I think they have excellent support. I think they have excellent tools. And I'm not promoting them or something like that. I'm just trying to help you understand, it's easier to do affiliate marketing, especially travel affiliate marketing and making sales there, when you have a program like Stay 22. So I hope that this was helpful, that it encourages you, especially if you're trying to build a travel affiliate website and business like I have, to use programs like these, because this is becoming more common. But Stay 22 is so far the #1 travel affiliate program that I've done business with, and I highly recommend them as well. So thanks a lot for watching, and if you have any questions, let me know. I will include relevant links below this video, but other than that, I will see you in the next video. Take care, everybody.